Hello, I'm Sarah and welcome to Learn English with Sarah. So today's short lesson is a phrasal verb, and this phrasal verb is cough up. So I quite like this phrasal verb because it can have two meanings. So the first is, hey, cough up. I'm not paying for this entire bill myself. So that means you go to a restaurant and somebody doesn't want to contribute towards the meal, so you say cough up. They need to pay towards the meal. It can also then literally mean cough up. So I'm coughing up a piece of food. Maybe the food didn't go down, so I was coughing up a piece of food. So if you think of some sentences, you could say, be careful when you eat. You don't want to cough up your food. Or please cough up and contribute to the bill. I can't pay this by myself. So see if you can think of some sentences to use cough up. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and see you in the next one. Cheers.